Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to just simply download and install the Zoom on your PC or laptop if you have not installed yet. So in order to download and install, you guys have to just simply go to Google Chrome and here you guys have to just simply search for Zoom. So after searching for Zoom, you guys have to just simply click on this download button and Zoom will be automatically downloaded to your computer and you guys have to just simply install it. So after installing the Zoom, you guys have to just simply open it. I have already installed it, so I am gonna opening it. So after opening it, you guys have to, you guys have to just simply click on schedule. So after clicking on schedule, it will provide you a pop-up menu about your meeting. So here you guys have to simply add a topic of your meeting. So after adding a topic of your meeting, here in the date and time section, you guys have to just simply add the meeting starting and ending time. So after setting the starting and ending time, you guys have to just simply schedule the time zone, and the time zone will be automatically detected by Zoom and it is by default correct. So you don't need to change it. So if you want the meeting to be repeat again and again in the daily manner, so you guys can tap on recurring meeting, or you guys can also add the email or name of your attendees by tapping on it. Here you guys can enable the continuous meeting chat in order to interact with your attendees. And here you guys can change the meeting ID by automatically generate or personal meeting ID. And here you guys can also add a passcode to your meeting. So everyone will be requested to first type the passcode, then they will be allowed to enter in the meeting. So if you want to allow your attendees before the meeting, then you guys can also allow this waiting room section. In this way, your attendees will be wait for a while until you can accept them or reject them. So if you want to allow your video, so you guys can allow this on tap on it. And if you want your participants camera on, so you guys can allow it by tapping on it. Or you guys can here select the audio medium, and here you guys can also select the calendar on which you want to schedule the meeting. Or you guys can also adjust the advanced setting of your meeting by tapping on it. So after adjusting all settings according to your need, here you guys have to just simply tap on save. In this way your meeting will be scheduled, and you guys have to just simply go to this and click on copy invitation, and you guys can share the copied link to your attendees, and in this way you guys can schedule your meeting. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.